Let's talk about nesting. Nesting can be very helpful in many different ways. Let's talk about 3. One we've already talked about is creating multicam clips. Another reason for nesting could be to get extra speed. Here's what I mean. If you have a really long clip, let's put this whole interview on the timeline, and you make it as fast as you can, which is 10,000, it comes out to be 1 second and 27 frames. You can't retime to anything greater than 10,000. Let's try 20,000 and nothing changes, because 10,000 is the maximum retime speed when you retime it like this. However, if you nest it, you can start over. This can be retimed to 200, and that would give you a 20,000 speed increase. If you're shooting a sunset and you want it to go down really quickly, but the clip is really long, you might use this technique. A third great reason to use nesting is sequence size problems. Here's a clip of me asking a very dangerous question. Hi, you are pregnant, right?
Yeah.
I'm glad she said yes, and I'm glad she's my wife. If we have some graphics here, and we take this whole clip and want to put it into a different sequence, the graphics will be a completely different size. See here, it touches both her arms, and here it's small and just over the middle of her shirt. The difference is this is a square sequence, and this is a widescreen sequence. So using nesting, we can get it to come over and maintain the dimensions and size. So here I'm going to nest this, I'll copy it here, and paste it here. Now when I change sequence size, the look of the text remains the same. There are plenty of other great uses for a nested sequence, but these tips really may be handy someday.